Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about interesting topic. We have to heart different heart sounds. From which part of the body we can get actually the proper heart sound. First come to fast heart sound. If you want to heart proper fast heart sound, we have to place the diaphragm of the stethoscope at the left fifth intercostal space. This is the most important site where we get maximum or maximum fast heart sound. Okay, now comes to second heart sound. In which place we get maximum second heart sound? As second heart sound has two parts. One is aortic part and one is pulmonary part. Aortic part is called A2 and pulmonary part is called P2. For observing or for hearing the aortic part, we have to place stethoscope at second right intercostal space, and to observe the pulmonary part, we have to put stethoscope over left second intercostal space.